Now, I will explain the ideal conditions for optimum performance, maintenance, and troubleshootings of digital viscometer. 1 centipoise is equal to 1 millipascal second. 2. For low viscosity, select L1 and L2 spindless and use high RPM. 3. For high viscosity, select L3 and L4 spindless and use low RPM. 4. Ensure proper earthing. 5. The spirit level should be centered. 6. The sample container should be 500 ml with an approximate diameter of 80 mm. 7. A leg guard is necessary for L1 and L2 spindless due to high RPM. 8. Viscosity standards and samples should be free from air bubbles. 9. An RTD should always be used while measuring viscosity, as it changes with temperature. 10. For small volumes, less than 20 milliliters, a small sample adapter is required to attach to the viscometer. This can be connected at the factory before dispatch. It is not possible to connect it later. 11. Check the spindle thread and shaft properly when fitting the spindle. 12. The spindle should be dipped in the sample up to the notch mark available on the spindle. 13. Viscometer standard solutions are not in our product range. If required, purchase them from the local market. 14. Always mention the temperature of the sample, as it will affect the viscosity readings. 15. Recommended torque is approximately 20% to 80% for better results. 16. If the viscosity range is less than 50 MPa, use a low viscosity adapter with the viscometer. 17. While changing the spindle, A. Hold the nozzle with your left hand and the spindle with your right hand in such a way that the nozzle does not move. B. Loosen the spindle in a clockwise direction and tighten the spindle in an anti-clockwise direction. 18. Clean the spindle with a dry cloth, detergent, or solvent. Thank you.